Hi, I'm Dr. Tim Fargo. I'm the Clinic Director at Chiropractic Health and Wellness Center. I wanted to take a few moments to chat with you about seasonal allergies, which many of us know this is a tremendously tough time of year and it continues into the summer. During the spring we have a lot of mold issues that people have. Tree pollens are really big as we move into the summer. We're working more with grasses, and then in the late summer and fall we're dealing more with weed pollen. And it should be fairly obvious that what happens when you're exposed to these types of agents, they'll strike basically cells on your membranes in your nose, in your lungs, in your mouth, and they'll create an allergic response. What's less obvious is that there are other things, and we have to look at seasonal allergy in a more holistic perspective, meaning it's a whole body phenomenon. What can happen is really anything that increases stress in the body can increase the degree to which you manifest allergy symptoms or you show up as being allergic. For example, if you're overtired, you're going to find that your seasonal allergy symptoms will be much worse. Also, for example, we can have food sensitivities, which are, in addition to the airborne allergies, creating or adding to your total allergy load. What many people will find is that if they can identify, get rid of foods that they're sensitive to, take those out of their diet, they'll find that they're far less sensitive to the seasonal allergies. We've seen this many, many times with people. The other thing that you might want to be aware of is that you can use supplementation. Many people will use, whether it be Claritin or other types of allergy medications to try to alleviate the symptoms. There are all kinds of things that you can do naturally. Some of the supplements that can be beneficial would be omega-3 fatty acids. They've been very, very beneficial. Probiotic supplements, you've all heard about acidophilus and other cultures like that. Well, there are more broad spectrum probiotic supplements that you can use that can make a tremendous difference. There are, well, vitamin D is another really important one, and that's great especially in the wintertime, but it can also be very helpful during the allergy season. And then we have various herbal antihistamine type of supplements and antioxidants. One of them is called quercetin, and the other is stinging nettles. These can be combined in pill form, and we have them available at the clinic. You can just, if you're interested, ask one of the staff or one of the doctors about them. In addition, there's a supplement company called Standard Process Labs that produces a couple really fantastic products. One of them is called Antranex, which is a natural antihistamine, and the other is Allerplex, which is a natural anti-allergy preparation. The other thing that I have to note as a chiropractor and tell you, in my experience, it's been exceptionally helpful for people to actually get adjusted, because when you adjust somebody's spine, it takes stress and irritation off the nervous system and has a whole body effect on things like immunity and allergenicity. If you do these things, you'll feel much better, and you might actually be able to get through an allergy season without having to use medication, which all of us know that these things have side effects. Thank you very much, and here's hoping you have a great season. Thank you.